What is up, RENATION fam? Welcome to the unboxing video. Hopefully you guys have had the best day ever and hopefully you enjoy the video. I normally do these types of unboxings for streams, but I feel like this one's gonna be more appropriate to upload a video. If you guys want to see more of these, let me know down below in the comment section. And if you enjoy it too, make sure that you go ahead and smack up that like button. You gotta do it.
Also, I just want to point out that I actually filmed some of this and the sound wasn't working. I was so mad.
Idiot.
I am currently having to redo some of this. We love it. What I might do low-key, I might just do a voiceover, so I don't want to redo like my reaction that I had, you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? With that being said, I'm gonna show the next clip of me unboxing the thing. But just know that I had to redo all of this because there was no sound.
Hey, unboxing video. Hey, unboxing video. Hey, unboxing video. Hey, roll the next clip.
So this first one is going to be from John. He is one of our lovely mods on the channel. Yeah, so we're just going to get right into this. I don't have any scissors. I ain't got no scissors, okay? So I'm going to use my keys. Oh, yo, listen, okay. I can't express to you enough on how excited I was. Like hot cocoa, I literally love hot cocoa. It's just so good. Like, who doesn't like hot cocoa? You know what I mean? You know? Oh my goodness. This thing is so huge. Like, it's literally massive. I couldn't believe it whenever I was unboxing it. I was like, bro, what the heck? And then I got candy too. Butterfingers. Yeah, Butterfinger's so good. Let me know what your favorite candy down below is. It's just so pretty. Also too, thank you for the card. I love cards. I don't think anyone even understands how much I love cards, to be honest. But whenever I opened it up, I was like, what the? He just gave me two $2 bills. What in the world? Oh my gosh, I was actually really shocked, but thank you for that. It was really sweet. Anyways, what he ended up saying in the card was, hi, my name is John. What's up, Renee? I'm really cool, really talented, really awesome, and if one of you lovely Renationers, as Jason would say, would like one of these cups, it is the size of Renee's head and neck combined. His channel link in the description below. I just really want to say that your talent is so crazy and it's amazing, and I could never in a million years do something like this. So the fact that you are this talented and can make stuff like this is just so cool. Like, it's just really neat and I appreciate it, and I appreciate the hot cocoa that you gave me. I've literally lost my mind. I think I have gone bonkers. This one right here is actually from Jason, which is another wonderful moderator of mine. But he is really awesome and really cool, so hopefully we can dive on into this and see what he done sent me. Give you some ASMR. I know you guys always ask for it, you know? Like, Renee, do some ASMR. Alright. What in the world did you send me? Oh my goodness! Thank you so much! Aww, that is really sweet. Have I been doing this out of order? Huh? I don't know if I have. Hold up. I'm gonna feel bad. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think I have done this. I think I've done this out of order. Dear Renee, this is the Jason Gates, your mod. I'm glad to be able to mail you so much. Thanks for being open to receiving fan mail from us. I love you. You will notice gifts, including RENATION currency. That's right. I designed the one, the only RENATION dollar and the RENATION quarter. Here it is. The crown on the money is because you are queen. So RENATION's monarch. Oh, pish posh. The flower on the money is from me to you, and that's RENATION's national flower. Oh, fancy. In this mailing, you will also see a tweaked version of the RENATION flag. Why'd you tweak it? Jason, it was perfect how it was. With the tweaked flag comes tweaked representations. The star representing unity, meaning RENATION as one united country. The white field representing all RENATIONers as citizens. Blue representing peace. Red representing RENATION's sovereignty as an independent nation. Green representing RENATION's economic status and ability to function as a nation. In general, stripes representing each of RENATION's provinces if RENATION were split into provinces. The old list of representations is for the old version of the flag. Keep those together. The list of representations for this new flag, of course, keep these together. Hope you enjoy all of your gifts in this letter. You, Renee, are among the best, prettiest streamers. Who may? Thank you. On YouTube of all time. You're very mature. Keep up all the great work. Thank you. As I just made the most Who-like, Grinch-like face you'll ever see. I can be mature when I'm white, you know. I just like to spice things up. We like to have a little fun. Jason's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Alright. So we're gonna give you number one, the RENATION $1 bill. Alright, you see this? You see this wonderful turkey? Yeah, as you observe, this is the RENATION $1 bill. Alright? This note is legal tender for all debts, public and private. Series 2020. Signature, Treasury Minister. Oh dang, Federal Bank of RENATION, Gibson City. I didn't know I owned that. Here we have RENATION United We Stand. Don't mind my weird nails, okay? Dang. Sometimes it's so hard to focus on things. Ew, did you see me? What is this? I look like Smeagol. I look like a freaking bird. A turkey bird. And here's the 25 cents. Dang, what in the hippie? Here is RENATION $2. Oh, fancy, we got the crown. Oh, fancy, Jason. And then here is the tweaked, but I didn't think that you needed to tweak it, honey. It looked already fine. But here you go. You got the green star up there, and you got the. Jason, is this a jewelry box? What in the world? Oh my goodness. That's so pretty. Jason, oh my gosh. You didn't have to do that. What? Hold on, let me let you guys see. Aw, that's so sweet. Aw, what the heck? I was not expecting this at all. That's so sweet of you. That's so pretty. Aw, look what he got me. Okay, wow, my nails are ugly. Wow, can that focus? Dang, that thing's so shiny it can't even focus. Alright, oh, look at that thing. Oh, it's so pretty. And on top of all what he already said, what I read, he did actually send me a book too. It is a Bible, which is really, really sweet. So thank you so much for that, Jason. You're really awesome. If you guys would like to see more unboxing videos or just any type of videos in general, I've been thinking about maybe possibly doing like a mukbang or maybe doing I don't know, maybe letting you guys know what my favorite snacks are, like recommendations if you guys would like to see something like that. John, Jason, you guys are definitely so amazing, and I just can't thank you guys enough for all of the hard work that you guys put in to just simply supporting. So thank you. I appreciate you. I hope you guys know that. And you guys go check them out. I'll put their channel links down below in the description, like I did say. But if you guys want to go check them out, feel free and do so. You leave a thumbs up on this video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to the RENATION family today. We are on the road to 50K, like I said, but hopefully we can get there really soon. We're super close. I have a feeling maybe we could get there by the end of the year. But if we can, that'd be really cool. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.
Give me a T, T, give me a U,